Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. In this video, we're going to show you how to use a wet-dry vac. Let's get started. In a lot of these videos I host for Ace, I'm showing you how to use tools that many times make a mess. Today we're going to talk about a tool that helps you clean up after that mess using a wet-dry vac. Super versatile tool that can allow you to clean up not only dry messes, but wet ones as well. Now, when it comes to wet-dry vacs, they come in a bunch of different sizes. This particular one is what they call a 6-gallon size, meaning that the tub itself can hold 6 gallons of water and or even dry debris. Many of the larger ones actually have a spigot on the bottom, a valve actually you can open to drain it because it would be too heavy to lift up. On this particular unit, you pull these clips and you open it up and you can see that the housing and the motor and the filter and everything is right here. Now that filter that you see is a dry filter. Typically, if you're going to do any wet cleanup, you're going to remove that filter because you want it to just suck in the water directly into the container. This particular unit also comes with, and you can buy as an accessory, a filter bag. This is not unlike a bag that you would use in a household vacuum cleaner. And this, if you're really concerned about dust control as you're cleaning up, is probably your solution. You would never use this bag if you were going to be cleaning up a wet mess. Now, there's a lot of attachments that come with wet-dry vacs. They'll have extension rods here to allow you to put them together so that if you were cleaning up on a floor where you wanted to stand, you could certainly use that. The hose attachment is pretty long, probably about 5 feet long. And then on the end of it, if you wanted to use a clip like a container like this, a clip here would allow you to do cleanup like on top of this tabletop here, or their version of a crevice tool, which is a little bit larger than most, but in tighter spots, this can certainly be pretty useful as well. And after it's all connected and plugged in and set up correctly on the side here, you want to make sure that it lines up like this and clips right on top there. Then it's as simple as turning the unit on and using it to clean up your mess. Now I have some sawdust right here, and you're going to see how quickly you can clean up that sawdust. Quick mention about the filter. If you notice that your vacuum cleaner isn't sucking with the same amount of force, it could be that this filter needs to be cleaned. I mean, I've been sucking up some sawdust, and you can see just by shaking this out, you can do this inside of a garbage can to kind of clear it out. That'll certainly help. But if you do this and it still doesn't have the power it had before, you may need to replace this filter. Again, it all depends on how often you're using your wet-dry vac and the types of material that you're using to clean it up. So just pay attention to the force at which the unit is providing its suction to do the job you need done. And that's it. If you need more information, just go to our website, acehardware.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.